Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing seasonal gingerbread flavoured hot chocolate. And we're going to start by making our own gingerbread flavoured syrup. We're going to need nutmeg, a cinnamon stick, cloves, some golden caster sugar, and of course some fresh ginger. I used the back of a spoon to peel the skin off about an inch of the ginger. Then use a sharp knife to cut some nice thin slices. Next we need to take a pan, pour in about 250 millilitres of water, add 3 tablespoons of the sugar, 1 cinnamon stick, and some cloves. Then take a nutmeg and use a fine grater to grate some into the pan. Then finally add your slices of ginger. Turn on the gas and give it a good stir. When the pan starts to boil, turn it down and leave it to simmer for about 5 minutes. We've infused all these lovely flavours into the water. And now we're going to leave it to sit and cool down for 5 minutes. Whilst it's sitting, we're going to use another pan to make some hot chocolate. I like to make mine with milk, although you could use water. Then just select your favourite drinking chocolate and follow the instructions. Of course, if you like, you can take some good quality chocolate and add that to the mix too. I'm just letting a couple of these squares melt into the mix. Next we need to strain the gingerbread syrup. So I poured mine out into a jug. There will still be small amounts of the nutmeg that pass through the sieve, but that doesn't really bother me. You can see it's a lovely rich dark colour. And the sugar has made it slightly syrupy and thicker than water. So next we're going to fill up a mug with the hot chocolate. Then top it with the gingerbread flavouring. And give it a stir. You can add more or less depending on your taste. And of course you can top it however you like. I used some of this squirty cream and dusted it with drinking chocolate. Then I poured on a little bit more of the syrup. And it's ready to drink. I recommend serving it with a gingerbread man. It really is delicious. You can taste those Christmassy spices and the gingerbread flavours. I'll definitely be doing this one again. Of course, if you prefer, you could top it with real cream. I whipped this up nice and thick and floated it on top. Or maybe you'd prefer marshmallows. I added a splash of syrup on top and waited for them to melt. Then it really is fantastic for dunking your biscuit. And if you've got any of the syrup left over, you can pour it into a bottle and store it in the fridge. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.